Greetings from Geojit Financial Services. The second IPO of the week that we are covering is a Miniratna Defence PSU, the IPO of Mazagon Docks Shipbuilders Limited. It is open from September 29 to October 1st and constitutes an offer for sale of 15% by its promoter, the Government of India. The company is engaged in the construction and repair of warships and submarines. It earlier used to manufacture commercial ships but has not done so for the last 8 to 10 years. Let us now look at the positives or why you need to invest in this IPO. The company has around rupees 54,000 crores in order backlogs, which grants it good or strong earnings visibility. It is also supposed to be the only shipyard in India which manufactures conventional submarines. The company is also looking to diversify its revenue stream by expanding and restarting its ship repair operations, not just for defense warships but also for commercial ships. The government's focus on Atmanirbhar will be positive for this company, not just in terms of increasing orders and technology transfer, but also will help in reducing costs. Cost of materials accounted for around 55 to 60% of the total expenses, mainly because of its dependence on imports. Domestic self-sufficiency can help in reducing this cost. The current geopolitical situation will ensure that the government's focus remains on the modernization of the armed forces. Here, Mazagon and its warships and the submarines will help counter the aggression that our neighboring countries are showing in the surrounding waters. Now, on to the financials and the valuations. The company has showcased slow growth in revenues while profit has been a little volatile. This has been attributed by the company because of the increasing subcontracting works, and this has had an impact on the margins. The valuations is one good thing about, not the one good thing, is a good thing about this IPO. At the upper price band, the company is available at a PE of 6 times, which is relatively cheaper when compared to the industry PE and also to the PE of its listed peers like Cochin Shipyard and Garden Reach Shipbuilders. Let's also look at the few concerns that are there in this IPO. 100% of its orders are from the Ministry of Defence. So any issues, delay in orders, delay in payments can have an impact on the revenue stream. Time and cost overruns are also a concern. The other concern is because of the updated defense procurement procedure, which includes competitive bidding also by private players. This can increase competition in the long run for Mazagon. All in all, considering the earnings visibility, considering the strategic importance of the company, considering its execution capabilities, we recommend a subscribe rating on this IPO. Please note that considering the valuations of this IPO, it is likely to be oversubscribed. For more details, you may refer to the IPO note published by Geojit Research. Thank you and happy investing.